Hi everyone, today I have a very pretty recipe for you. We're going to make a roasted beet hummus. I love making hummus at home. It's so easy and it comes out so creamy. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Come on, let's go. Here I have one red beet, which I've peeled and chopped into pieces. Toss it with a little extra virgin olive oil. It's going to go in a 400-degree oven. We're going to roast it until it's soft. Hummus is made with chickpeas and tahini sauce and some other added flavors. I like to make my own tahini sauce, so here I have a half a cup of toasted sesame seeds. We're going to make it all at the same time. Here are our roasted beets, fresh out of the oven. I have some salt, some lemon juice, a garlic clove chopped up, a little bit of water, and some extra virgin olive oil, and I'll show you how we're going to assemble all these ingredients. So much for joining me today. I hope you try this recipe for yourself. Please let me know if you do, and I will see you very soon. Bye.